What's the meaning of auto bra? Auto bra. Auto bra.
Auto bra. Auto bra. Auto bra is a term that typically refers to a clear film that is applied to the front of a car to protect it from scratches, chips, and other minor damage that can occur during normal driving. The film is called auto bra because it acts like a traditional bra, providing protection against wear and tear. When applied correctly, an auto bra can be virtually invisible, allowing the color and design of the car to show through while still providing the necessary protection. It is a popular option for those who want to keep their car looking great for years to come.